Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka Niwaumania kwa Vanene Syiko cia Kuvithukiwa kwa Atongoi Ulei Mbulili katika Ndambuka Syoo Uteti aiwetakana wende na wia na nuvonekete mavithukia maingi Mbulili niwathingelila kana nomba kamwandiki munene muvyani wa usese Raymond Omolo atie wia kwa kwemane wia wake wala ainene kadisani wa Independent Faith Baptist kuya Syikuru mwingi ya yulu Kalonzo wawetakana musumbi William Ruto yu ni wende kwinuka kumana na Utongoi muthuku na nukwinuka kwa nzia ya kikatiba ayongela kana ngaliko ya Ulei ni yumbanitie kutongwesia nthi ya Kenya na kulunga nthino na muno maunduni makonetie kisomo Osia Kimanzi ena mauvo.
Ainenea uthaithine kanisani wa Independent Faith Baptist Church Syoo mwingi ya yulu Kalonzo Niwaumania Syiko cia kutumia Mbulili na polisi kuvithukia ngaliko ya Ulei Ndambuka Syoo cia Uteti eiwetakana yu mwandiki munene muvyani wa usese Raymond Omolo niwemetwe ni kusesea NNZ na yu niwaniwe ni kutia wia
Gunism. We are still waiting to hear Principal Secretary Raymond Omolo amejiuzulu. We are waiting. The country is waiting. And by the way, Mr. William Ruto, if you think you can keep your Principal Secretary, who is in charge of internal security, supposed to guarantee the security of citizens and their leaders, and you are keeping them there, ukisema mutadu, the world is watching, but above all, God in heaven is watching.
Avindani kau Kalonzo aiwetakana weta Mutongoi tiwa kutelema ni mavithukia ala maende kuingaliko ya Ulei aiwetakana nubonokete mavithukia manene kwi kavindani kau nake mumbunge wa kitu cha Kati Kalimolu aiwetakana musumbi William Ruto kutumia Mbulili kwi Ulei tiwa sungio wa kuzindana na mom.
Tuwezi kuwa mimi nilisurvive mashifta alafu nende nikapigwa na polisi wa Kenya. No. I mean, mahali nimefika niogope nani? I only respect, naogopa Mwenyezi Mungu ambaye ametupatia uhai, ameona ni vizuri nizaliwe hapa mahali pagumu namna hii, but that ukame does not live in our minds.
We want to tell President Ruto what he is doing to this country cannot stop change of regime.
Uyovo Kalonzo aimutula mute musumbi William Ruto kwa Utongoi muthuku aiwetakana evakuvi kwinuka kwitsila nzia cia kikatiba na ta Ulei nimeyumbanitie kutongwesya nzi ya Kenya kwa umelu na uo na kuthinikia maundu na wathukanio na muno kisomo.
And I want to encourage Kenyans to know Mr. William Ruto is on his way out in a democratic manner. I am telling you, we are ready to lead this nation. Because we have the experience, we will reform our education sector again. We will make sure that our university students get higher education loans in a manner that is transparent.
Girivoti ya vilingwa movo kuma Syikuru kiliombunge ni cha mwingi ya yuluka undine ya kitui Osia Kimanzi.